Okay, let's go. Few points. Good news, a lot of good news. I have actually improved the portal a lot today. And that was after yesterday, which was a bit of a bad moment for me because Unreal was really being kind of an asshole and not letting me do these things that I wanted the right way. So kind of almost gave up yesterday, but today I resurged or whatever. I came back on top and I figured out my problem, and now it is the portal project is at a much better state. So two main improvements. Okay, the main improvement number one is that the performance has now doubled. So it's pretty big. That's a huge thing because before I would have two layers through on the portal and the game would tank to 30 FPS because I had all these extra things I was running in the background that I really knew from the very first moment were unnecessary, but I just couldn't figure out how to circumvent that situation. So today I figured that out, and another improvement that came with it is the fact that I'm now not limited by my layer count. Before I had to hard code the layers into the material, but now I have completely ascended beyond that, and I'm able to have as many layers as I want. I mean, it would kill my performance still, but first of all, not as much, and I can really do it now. I have the freedom to do so. So let me show you actually. Let's say I have, the layer count at 1. Okay, so first of all, really smooth, running it at 90 FPS. This game is not, this portal component is not optimized. Like I shouldn't be capturing these scene components of the portals behind me. So that's something to note. Uh, so yeah, so that's the main improvement. You can notice the quality of image, the composition of the portal is still flawless, is still as good as it used to be. The travel is still nearly seamless. I mean, you can tell if you really look at it, you can tell because the texture is, limited quality, but it's really, really nice as it used to be. And now I can really, really take the amount of layers without being scared for my life, right? I'm still at 20 FPS, but note that these 20 FPS would be something I'd get with 4 layers before, not with 10 layers. Look at this, accurate 10. I mean, it looks a bit bad because of like color loss through multiple layers, but I mean, higher quality scene capture and probably better optimization and color coding or grading of the image could actually improve this a lot. I think this is as good as it gets, really, when it comes to this effect being implemented. And I have, all the controls. It's still seamless. Yeah, the performance is really bad, but I could even have it in a modest like 2 or 3 layers, and the game would be perfectly playable when I implement the rest of the optimizations I have in store for this. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is an extremely important step for this project because that issue I had, that performance issue, that limitation of layer count was really gonna make or break this project if I wasn't able to, circumvent it and solve it, which I'm now able to. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next update video. Actually, let me take it for a spin a bit before I love saying it spin. Yeah, look at that. You know, it's a really cool experience to be able to do. Note that the object clipping or non-clipping is still implemented, so you don't see the other half of the mesh. So you just see, what's poking through the portal basically. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess.